Hey everyone, good morning. How you doing? How's your morning? This is my morning. Well, afternoon, it's about noon. This is Thor. He's like an Irish setter golden labradoodle, something like that. Irish setter labradoodle. He's so sweet. We've been hanging out for a little bit, just chilling, getting to know each other. He's been checking out my house. This is his first time here, so he's new. I don't know how old he is. I forgot to ask. I think he's a few years, probably under 4, I would guess. He's still pretty young, pretty handsome. He's about 70 pounds, and yeah, he's a doodle, so he's gonna get bath haircut. We'll see if he gets blow dry. She says she's not sure how he does around the blow dry, so we'll see. But he's very cute. Look at him, you can hardly see, buddy. Yeah, good boy. We're gonna take care of all this. Get him all cleaned up. What do you think, huh? What do you think? He's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy, Thor. I love his name, Thor. So cute. Anyway, we'll go ahead and get started with his haircut. All right, guys, we are here with Thor, and we're getting ready to do his haircut. Mom said that he's not very good with blow dryers or loud noises, particularly blow dryers. So I'm thinking that I might need to do the haircut first before I do a bath. So in the event I can't blow dry him, the hair will be shorter and the haircut will be done. And then if I need to, worst case scenario, we can just let it air dry. So that it won't be perfect, that's for sure. I'm gonna spray him with some of this Ultra Dematting and Finishing Spray because it's like a leave-in conditioner and it will help get the tangles out and help the brushing go better. So he's a good boy. I feel so bad, he can hardly see. Oh, and he's got some junk in there. He's got some junk in there, buddy. Yeah. I have that with other black dogs that I have. This junk gets kind of stuck in their face and they can't see very well. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this lightly over him. I love this stuff. It smells really good. Leaves the coat really like soft and shiny, usually, especially after bath and blow dry. I put it in usually right before the blow dry. And then it kind of just soaks into the fur, and when I blow dry, it leaves it really nice and soft, and it feels so good. It smells so good. What do you think, buddy? So I let this guy hang out with me for a little bit, kind of explore the house, say hello to everybody. My son's here doing school, so he said hello, and got to say hi to these guys. Now they're all chill. That's Gimli, my mini schnauzer, and that's Rosie, my standard schnauzer, and she's 5.5 months, and he's 9.5 years old. So they're just chilling with me while I do haircuts. It's kind of nice now. Rosie didn't used to do that. She used to be like a bear, a handful. Also, I got a new ring light. Hopefully that's not too bright, but I got it set up for better picture quality. Especially with these black dogs. They're hard to see in pictures, and hopefully they'll show up better for my actual photos that I'm gonna do. I took some before photos. I keep forgetting to do that on my dogs and taking before photos because I just get right into this video. Anyway, so we're gonna brush him fully, completely, all the way out, which could take a little bit before we do the haircut, because I just feel like a brushed out dog cuts better, especially if we're gonna be trying to do the finished cut potentially before the bath. We'll see how it goes. You just can't really use a buzzer on a dog when their fur is wet, and so if I can't blow dry him, then I'm gonna just preemptively do the haircut first, and then we'll see how he does. And sometimes dogs that hang out with me for several hours, they do okay with things that maybe they're not potentially used to at home, and they just kind of are more comfortable by the time we get there. So we'll see how he does. Yeah. Oh, he's got some junk in here too. We'll clean that all up. Mom says he's been having some ear issues, so like ear infections and stuff, so his ears are a little tender. So I'm gonna try and just wipe them out, wipe the dirt out, and then just kind of buzz around the outside and get all this extra hair out of the way. So we will see. Let me see how it goes. But he's a sweet boy. Very sweet. Been giving me kisses, smelling me all over, getting to know me. I like to try to... Oh, looks like there's a package, I think. It's like, who's out there on my lawn? Hi, buddy. You're so sweet. I don't need to knock. Okay, shh. That's why I waved at him in the window, so he could see me that I saw him, so he wouldn't have to knock, but he knocked anyway. I was like, hi, I'm here. Okay. And then this is what happens is these guys start barking, and then it sets off a chain reaction of barking. That's no fun for a video. Okay, he's all gone now, Gim. What do you think, Rosie? All right. So I think I might go ahead and speed this up because it'll take a little bit, and we're getting quite a bit of hair out. So that's good. Undercoat. Excuse me, Gim. But we'll go ahead and speed this part up and brush him out. So I brushed out the majority of his coat as good as I could, and I've been going through and checking kind of with my comb just to kind of see, and it is like it's a little sticky just because it's probably been a little bit since they've been to the groomer, and you know they have dander and oils and stuff like that, and so it just needs to be washed. So it's catching a little bit here and there. I took a little quick video for her mom and sent it to her just to kind of show her where it's at, because they were wanting to kind of leave his hair a little bit longer. So I wanted to kind of show her where it was at, but it looks like, so I'll wait and see what she says. Because if it's going to be too difficult to go through with the comb and leave it longer, especially before the bath, I would recommend just using a longer blade and trying to just get right underneath any mats. But it looks like, I mean, I just didn't want to make him, see, he doesn't like it. It's painful when we catch the matting and the tangles. It's painful, it pulls, you know, it's like getting your little 3 or 4-year-old daughter and sitting her down and brushing all the snarls out, you know, as hard as you possibly can. Well, I guess not as hard as you possibly can. We do try to be gentle. But, you know, there's a lot, and there's a lot more surface area than a little girl's head. And dogs don't understand, you know, we're trying to do this for their health and make them look nice and feel nice. It's just, you know, it's hard for them. And he's new, and he's never been to me before, and he doesn't like he's a little anxious. He doesn't like things like that. So I try to reduce the amount of discomfort and pain when grooming as possible. And so one of the things that I do is just, I won't really sit here and demat. Demat is like literally combing through every single mat. I like to just cut it underneath it, and if it means going a little bit shorter, the good news is it grows out, and then it gives the parents kind of a fresh, clean slate starting point as far as, you know, being able to brush. You know, it can get a little overwhelming. These guys have so much hair. Not only that, it grows fast and it's everywhere, and like all the nooks and crannies. What do you see? You see a doggy out there? All the, you know, places that start getting matted, and it just is like, it becomes really overwhelming all of a sudden, like there's too much and it's just taken over. The matting is taken over. So when I, you know, have to, if it gets out of hand, just shave it down a little bit shorter than maybe they wanted, but then they can start fresh with the brushing, and it's just a lot easier to maintain when everything is all combed out and brushed out and you can just start over. So I sent her the video. We'll see what she says. I think I told her that I would, because I had just done one side so far, and the feet and legs are the worst. But I think, and I was able to get these two massive mats out, one on one ear and one on the other ear, and you can't even tell. It looks like nothing was even there. So that's good, and I can comb through his ear just fine for the most part, and we're gonna trim that down anyway. And his head is good. His face, I think, is a little bit tangly, like there's some stuff in there, but it's not like, I don't think it's a huge, I don't think it's a huge mat or anything. So I think we'll wait and see what she says, but I might, because we had suggested 3/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch maybe, worst case scenario. Oh, buddy. Oh, there's a little mat in there. Just a little one, just a little baby one, but it makes all the difference when you're trying to comb through. It hurts, man, it hurts, right? It don't feel good. It didn't feel very good. Yeah. So yeah, this one's gonna be a little bit different than usual because we like to accommodate our buddies. And if he just doesn't like the blow dryer, then we can respect that. I don't want to terrify a dog, especially a new doggy. We're not gonna do that. So we do what we have to, and even if it means it takes a little bit longer, or we gotta modify what we do, then that's all good. There's another mat right here too. I get that one out. I just use my thinning shears and I just kind of cut little bits, and then when we pull it out, we get all that out, and then you can't even really tell because it seems like it was under the skin anyway. So where I cut it out was just underneath, and so all the top hair lays on top and you can't really tell. So all right, well, until I hear back from her about the length, because this is just going to be sticky, and I just feel like the comb won't really go through it very well. And I can use a longer blade, so it's probably what I'm going to do. Yeah, and we'll just see how that goes, and if I have to go over it again after the bath. I just, like, worst case scenario, I can't dry him at all, and we have to air dry, and then I didn't finish the haircut. And so I would rather just finish the haircut while we have dry but dirty hair, if that's what I gotta do, and then it can air dry. Yeah, oh gosh, there's a huge one right here. I don't know that this is gonna be salvageable. Oh, buddy. This is literally like, it's solid. I know, that doesn't feel very good. It's like one solid mass. And so I would just have to cut that out, which means the tail is gonna be all jacked. I'm sorry, buddy, because I'm not going to hurt him trying to get that out. I'd rather be painless as possible. Okay, well, I'm going to start, since I've just brushed him out and taken some mats out, I'm going to do what I do normally and just start with the pads and the nails, because we got to buzz those short. It looks like, what do you think, buddy? It looks like his pads have been buzzed or cut short recently because they're shorter than the rest of his paws, which is good. He's so handsome. Even his feet already still look good. Even if they're long and fuzzy, they still look pretty decent. Okay, sorry, I'm just cleaning out the hair from my buzzer. Give it a little bit of clean and lubrication. All right. You ready, buddy? What do you think? Do you know what that is? Yeah? Do you know what that is? What do you think, huh? And let me have your foot. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. That's not so bad. It's okay. It's not so bad. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this a little bit better of a view here. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. And I'm catching a little bit of tingles, but not too bad. So, yeah. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Good boy. Good boy, Thor. Good boy, Thor. Good boy. Yeah, what do you think, huh? I'm trying to do it away from his face, but he's putting his face kind of in there. There we go. Okay, good boy. Yeah, I can see this a little bit better now. Got all kinds of stuff in there. Yeah. They live out in the country, so it gets pretty dirty. Probably living his best life, though. Aren't you, buddy? Okay, that one is... It's getting caught on a mat, I think. Can you see it? Can I see? Good boy. Good boy, Thor. Good boy, Thor. Trying to clean up these feet real good. Yeah, there was the mat right there. Okay. Got it. Alright, that's pretty good. Don't want to overdo it. Shouldn't hurt him, just tickled a little bit. Alright. See? That's a clean foot. That's a pretty clean foot. Oh, there's some. Oh, yeah. Oh, I missed some. Okay, hold still, bud. Hold still. There we go. There we go. Good boy. Okay. And do your back one? Yeah? Let me see your back foot. Good boy. Now you can see that they're shorter, but they're getting long, so it's been a little bit. Good boy. And it's pretty wet, too. Okay. Yep, you're okay. Good boy. Good boy, Thor. You're doing so good. You're doing so good, buddy. Oh yeah, there's some wilderness things in there. Let me see. Good boy. Pine needles and seeds, etc. Yeah, okay. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay, buddy. Some long hairs in there. Let me get those out. I know, okay. While I have him on this side, though, I'm gonna go ahead and try and get his nails done. You're doing so good, Thor. Yes, you are. Wish you could see better. I'll probably have to do that next. Alright, let's see here. I might get my knee up here. That's what I like about my table. I can get my knee up here and then I have something to rest it on. And it gives me a little bit more leverage. Just taking a little bit off at a time. Good boy, Thor. There we go. Yeah. Good boy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here, hold on. Good boy. Okay, one more. Oh, it doesn't need much taken off either. Okay, good boy. You did so good. Good boy. All right, this one. This one. You see that? Okay, all right. Okay, okay, good boy. Good boy, Thor. Some thick ones. Yeah, good boy. That's okay. Hold still. Shh, 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 shh. Good boy, Thor. Good boy. You're okay. Good boy. There you go. Good girl, Rosie. Hold still. You're a good boy. Good boy, Thor. No, no, no. Hold still. Hold still. Good boy. Okay, one more. One more. One more. Yep, 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 yep. You want to sit? You can sit down. That's okay. Okay, let me see. Do you have dew claws? Do you have the dew? Yep. There's a dew claw in there, and it seems like it's pretty long. So we need to cut those ones. Good boy. Good boy. All right, that's pretty good. Good boy. Yeah. All right. I'll turn him around. Turn around. Okay, this way. This way, buddy. Good boy. Oh, oh, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, sorry. Is that scary? I'm sorry, Rosie. Rosie, you gotta get off, sweetheart. Okay. Also. She found the lid for that thing. Just playing with it. Good boy, Thor. Good boy. Okay, let me get my foot up here. Okay. Let's go. Good boy. Let's go. There's a little bit of matting in there. It's okay, Thor. It's okay. Shh. Alright, we'll try this direction again. Seems to work better. Because it's just like I'm blocking his face, so it's kind of farther away. I feel like if it's farther away from their face, it's less traumatizing. Sometimes. It's okay. And then they'll put their face in there and they can see what I'm doing. Put your face away, buddy. There we go. There we go. Yeah, there's some matting in there, so it's pulling a little bit, and I'm sure he doesn't like that. It's okay. It's okay. No. You're all right. You're okay. Okay. All right, let's do the back leg. We'll come back to that one. What'd you do, buddy? Did you knock it over? Huh? Hold still. Hold still. Get your tail out of there. Just tickles more than anything, really. It's buzzy vibrating against their pads when their feet are already pretty sensitive, so it doesn't hurt, it just tickles, unless it's pulling on a mat or something. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't check my view. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Thor. Okay. Come this way. Come this way. Easy. Easy. Give me your foot. Give me your foot, buddy. There we go. Good boy. Good boy, Thor. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Shh. Easy, easy. Easy. Good boy. We gotta get these mats out. Yeah. Easy. It's gonna be in wet, muddy conditions. We gotta clean those up. Yeah. It's not hot. It's not even barely warm. It's just, this is a nice one. This Bravura, it doesn't get hot. The blades don't get very hot. So it's supposed to never get hot, but I mean, never say never. And there's friction, so it's gonna get a little warm eventually. Let me turn back to this one. Come back to this one. Yeah, you're not happy with that, are you? Let's move you up here. I'll put this up here too. And then I can keep him facing this way a little bit tighter. Can you turn this way? There we go. Up, up, up. That's okay. There we go. Turn your body. There we go. Good boy. All right. Just gives him a little bit less mobility and he won't really be able to turn his head. Put it in my way. No, no. Good boy. Good boy. No, no. No, no. Good boy. No, no, buddy. I know you don't like it. I'm sorry. I don't either. I don't like it either, but we gotta get it done. Okay, yeah, there's some pine needles in there. And there was a big mat. Usually I've been finding the mats right between his front two toes. Hold still. Hold still. It's right there. Gotta get that out. Good boy. No, no, easy. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay, buddy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. That looks pretty good. Okay, it's always the inside though. You're wrestling with me. Don't wrestle with me. It's okay. Yeah, you're okay. To get the inside one. Okay, okay. Okay. I don't want to cut too much off. Okay. Good boy. All right, buddy. What you doing, Rosie? All right, we gotta do the nails. If I do a good job cleaning up the feet, then I can access and see the nails a lot better, especially when they're all the same color. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Thor. No, you're okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good. No. Good boy, Thor. Good boy. Okay. There we go. Good boy. Good boy, Thor. Okay, last one, and then we got your dew claw. Last one. Okay, got that one. Get the dew claw. He's been really patient with me. You're being really patient for doing something you don't like. Okay, just gotta find it. Okay, found it. Pull the hair away, and then hold it in a position where I can cut it. Good boy. Good boy, Thor. Good boy, Thor. Okay, good. Good job. Yeah, you did so good. I gave him some cookies earlier, and he didn't really want them. He didn't really want the cookies because I think he was just nervous about being new and, you know, just a new environment. Didn't know anybody yet. So we just let him kind of poke around and check it out. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Thor. That's right there. Okay. Rosie, don't bother your brother. Okay. All right, good boy. We got the nails and the pads done for the most part. Let me see if Mom has gotten back to me. Nope. Okay. Well, that's okay. I think that I can still try and do, I'm not sure. I'm just worried. The longest blade that I have, well, 3/4 inch blade, I just don't know that it will go through because the hair is just sticky. I'm definitely sure that the combs won't go through. We'll see what the blade does, a 3/4 inch blade, and if it doesn't work, we'll just go down to 1/2 inch, which is okay. Okay, this is my 3/4 inch blade. What do you think, buddy? I'm just, yeah, it's like, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt going through. And then there's some matting and it will just take forever and it will hurt because it's already pulling and I can feel the tension. Okay. So I'm gonna go down to the 1/2 inch. I hope that's okay with her. I just know that the combs are just gonna get stuck. I mean, I guess I could try. I will give it a try. All right, we're in my bathing station. It's my shower, but I have these handrails here so I can attach the dogs, and I've got a handheld shower head. So that works really nicely. But I'm just gonna take a minute to go over some of the products. I use these pretty much every time, similar stuff pretty much every time, and I link them in the bottom of the video, the description part. But I'll just go over them really quick. I have, this is a tear-free facial stain remover. It's blueberry. You'll probably find blueberry facials anywhere you go, but that's just part of what I do because I'm gonna wash their face anyway, so I'm gonna use something that's nicer on their eyes. It doesn't hurt their eyes. And then I'm gonna use the iGroom Squeaky Clean shampoo, then the Rainforest shampoo and conditioner. I have a Hydra moisturizing conditioner, and then I think either I'll use that or this, or a combination of the two, the Flash Thermo Active Mask, because I want as much conditioner as possible to be on his fur so we can get out the tangles and just keep it really nice and fluffy for the finished cut when we're all done. Hopefully he'll let me. I haven't finished his back legs, but and this one here, it's just too hard to get through it with the buzzer, so I'm just gonna try. We'll see what we can do. But anyway, we'll go ahead and get started with the bath. Alright, so I'm conducting an experiment here where I have the blow dryer on and the dog here, and I'm not putting it on him, it's just on in the room, and it sounds really loud because it's up against the wall over there. But like, you know, once this gets to like, it's actually a lot quieter once it's up against something like fur. So I just thought I would see how he does. He's a little shivery because he's cold. He was shivering in the shower. He's a little cold, but anyway, I thought I would see what he thinks about this. What do you think, buddy? I haven't even put the happy hoodie on. I was gonna put the happy hoodie on him, but I just thought I would let it run, have it on while he's in here, and just kind of get him used to the sound. And then I was putting some of this on this fur. There we go, good boy. But he did really good. He did really good in the bathtub. I think he really liked it. I'm trying not to tangle his feet up again, but I put lots of conditioner on him. I think he's doing okay. See, buddy? What do you think? What do you think? You want to smell? Yeah, see? It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. He's not terrified. Like, I've seen dogs that, like, hop around and, like, freak out and try to get out of the thing and jump around, and they're, like, trying to bite at it and terrified. I think he might be okay. If he really does any of that, I'll quit and use my hand dryer, but I just wanted to see how he did, because we've been spending a lot of time together. Good boy. Whoa. Of course I did that. This thing is powerful. It dries really fast, and it also blows things around my office, so I gotta be careful. I'll put that light back up. I'm really glad it didn't break, but I'm gonna like touch him with it and see what he thinks. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, what do you think? It's okay. This whole thing is a process. Getting these dogs used to the grooming is a process. So, all right. right, guys, I think we're just about done. Are we done with this sweet boy? Look at his face. He's so sweet. All right, I'm gonna try to take the pictures now. His feet are gonna be what they are. They're not perfect. They're mostly wet. Oops. Sorry, I didn't fix my, there we go. Here we go. Look at his face now. What do you think, Thor? Huh? What do you think? Are you all done? Are you all done? You can see now. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Hold up. Fix some stragglers here. Okay. All right, we're gonna take your pictures, but I think we're done. Feet aren't perfect. I might have her come back and do a free feet trim. I think she's here. Oh, hi. Smile, you're on camera. What are you doing? You're a creeper. Are you standing in my garden? I'll see you later. My neighbor, oh my gosh. I thought it was his mom. Strider, it's the neighbor, it's okay. All right, we're gonna take a quick picture. I'll come back. But this is the, okay, shh, hey buddy, it's okay. This is the end result. Strider, it's okay. Hey, it's me, it's okay, it's okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, say bye, Thor. Say thank you for watching. Bye-bye. You see my doggies, Thor? What do you see? Okay, all right, guys, thank you for watching. My loud doggy. See you next time.